Nana Kwame. Around the world.
Yeah, I'll be fine.
Nyamia do me side had there.
Be a come up. Ja. Charlie, you look good in black.
In black.
Oh, Fatapa.
And woman the message.
You look good.
Thank you.
In black pa.
And then I'm posy. Your Facebook.
Yes.
I'm posy.
Sir.
You posy mun try picture ba ko fanya wallpaper. Mun try fanya wallpaper.
What you are showing now, you're posy.
Eh, also mun try necessary. What try we? Eh, trust na, I trust.
I don't know what you're being done.
Be try.
Oh, Johnny.
I mean, mun try matter.
For future use.
Yeah, if you pay there, I watch you sold here, ice block you sold here. Mo family to mo container ho.
Hey.
Nana ya ko so.
I'm
family to container no.
Na omundre.
I watch you sold here. Now, to me na watch you crowd. Now say na bonus so ho. He say nipa ko ni mbe ho baby an so na boss ni sem. Na training na baby.
Za.
Wa hu bi da.
Da bi.
I watch you for no container no ho no. Tum say my grand picture. Obese ma omo che say my grand be di do no my grand ma ho da o. On the picture so
no mde eduane ne kuta no
on the bone kra by force
enti o jirem sa
opompo be di wache ana kwa me focus
on the job yeah focus that's how to focus on juma no abena
of course
so to focus pa na ere na eko
na hwenko ye fe ni afe wo se wo de won sembeba na echi se
sa
ye bie mo se 2 days ni ente hwe
sa
Clementine Shore is ba yi no ukwada ebenada na ho fam so ba ya wade nti ukwada ne de na tse ye wo holiday
yeah
same say ukwada ne na ye te on kakakra
enukre
ye te on kache
nti no me ko ekurase kakra na obi achi obi a
okwa ekurase
ko ekurase ko chia akokora ne abla
oh ukwada no
ko ekurase me be ye adwuma nti me point na me ko ekurase kakra
omo ho ye
obi ho ye nti me chia ejamreku mchan pa onzo no okọ tumi gongonte ba
what did they buy kwa me ko so pon wa mre enchene
enchene bi wa dan o
enchene wa dan
ye bi bi wa dan
na salt pon say salt pon say enchene Nana then I buy.
What's that for I?
Then you heard the buy and the mren ho.
Amero. What's this salt for I?
No be be say salt pon.
Obi em bisa hwe.
Eh twaso. We am say twaso why? Twaso na ye hwe won sem na sorry.
Eh, I dey there. Obi da me ko. O ma me.
Me say just say e so ye dey buy, ye ti buy. Odo 5 minutes is zero. Nana de 5 minutes is zero.
What's it then? Salt for I.
Men carry. We say ada na nchine when am see you when e kwa be nchine twaso. Obi aju be ne say de dini da so na nchine na mo fa nya nchine na mo fa salt pon enye nchine.
Umfa dey.
Minim na mo fa dey. Amo fa dey.
Minim.
Na so fu salt pon.
There is visible. If I grant about.
Okrom de na e fa o mfa o.
Umfa hwe. Mi kom adwuma ti so mo ye farming. Adwuma ti so mo ye o farming nti ebro dua, banchi dua, abedua, koko dua. These are the kind of adwuma mo ye.
Oh, krom.
Yo mi krom agransa ba. Atiase. Na okrom e de no mo ye o. Okrom mo ye de.
Mi krom.
E krom kwa oni bi.
Mi fi Kenya ase abrim. Sistrase.
Kenya ase.
Abrim. Kumasi mi fi Kumasi.
Obi afu Kumasi. Ani ja.
Se ye nyina mafrafo. Obred ye do akire ye nenam. Na kwa me yeto ase yeto.
Abrai.
Nana.
Keche. Onse keche no ye short na ye long.
Joshua ni Andrew.
We Joshua. Tintin Joshua. Wedding komo bi.
Mi cinema no.
Oh, sir.
Oh, mi cinema dalet.
Sir.
No trespass.
Too sure to dalet.
Oh, bra.
Sir.
Ya na enya asem no kan no.
Oh, asem ni de enye.
Me bra, ma mi chire mo man no. E bia no mo anti ase. Ma fa to so ma me hwe. Ye mo.
Anti edem dada. Wa ha. Anti bi na bona.
So now, Telecel Ghana Music Awards, Charterhouse. So now they want to tell us, say, there is no group in Ghana, there's no duo in Ghana. So now, Telecel and Charterhouse, they want to tell we say, Dope Nation be Yawa, Ketchup be Yawa, R2B be Yawa. The new group they just entered, Banfra, they be Yawa. They want to tell we say, yo, if Prior are no more, VIP, Wuta, these people are no more, these legends are no more. So you don't regard us. You want to tell us, say, there's no group in Ghana. We try to put this group thing, the duo thing alive. You want to tell us, say, we don't matter. We have to push you guys so many years, hit after hit. If you only do friends, say, we don't Kwame Gyan, no dollar in that one award. Very wicked mindset. Very wicked mindset. One time we said there was no group in Ghana. Very wicked mindset. Shiakai.
Nana.
The way I want to end this story, no.
Shiakai no.
Okay, with some women.
Just in the wolf fool.
And he's right. I was scheme. The fact that ABME probably you feel, or yes, because Charlie, that's the feeling that groupings in and you're competitive enough, and you know, must scrap it a category if you want. Charlie, and the papa, it's no good. As musicians now, no use product, a dear we event, you know. You made them feel, I say, they are not working.
Into my nominated job,
They've scrapped it off. If you
say categories, no. Say,
Hip Life Artist of the Year category.
Or may you group
Songwriter Artist of the Year category, no. Group of the Year a category, almost scrap it. Meanwhile, we still have some groups that are doing well, like Keche. Like Dope Nation.
They've been consistent forever.
They've been consistent.
They've been in the game. They've never gone on.
Over 15 years. They've been in the game.
Dope Nation is doing amazing.
Yes. R2B, they're still doing well. Group Nengu. So the fact that the 4x4 and Wuta and Primal DNA collapse, it doesn't mean say these guys are not doing well. They are doing well. So as ana Oma ensusuan bi obi susu say oh you take advantage of the artist, you know. As ana ensusuan ya na correct.
Because there's a more down value
you don't value
their existence.
Yeah, you don't value
and you
them.
can't say that because Keche has been relevant. Me when you cry, they keep giving us
and amazingly
every year.
And amazingly, homo nyumi release bia so no.
A hit.
A pikia ne jina na nanso. Homo nyumi ya. A pikia ne jina na nanso.
Where the party day today?
Yes. So you don't do that. I remember the days of Keche nyom alugun to going
pressure.
So called the pressure. These are diabetes.
Wow,
you know?
Yeah,
these are his songs. So the guys are still working. The guys are doing good.
How do you do away with such a category? If I say a category, but say make an announcement, mom. Right?
No, a group. Yes, category.
How do you scrap?
Yeah, scrap. I know.
How do you scrap such a category? Because Dope Nation ye kwan o mama on billboard touch somebody Ghana piano craba it's relevant.
It's relevant. I don't know why Ghana Music Awards
19 or do that at a group of the year and if you know almost share baby for and I say these people become irrelevant. They don't fall under any category.
Yes, of course. Or a group.
Into over nominate almost say.
And that's what we hear from you.
And I'm some young tag team champions. Nabia category BB or tag team send because this is not fair. This is not fair to their brand. This is not fair to their personality.
And into no Keche Joshua Edika. As I'm not kind of I was happy. Because
on it tell yourself one.
Tell us Ghana Music Awards.
Yeah. Celestine Music Awards.
Ghana Music
And
Awards.
Ghana Music Awards.
Celestine Ghana
Joshua
Music
say, Atriakai. Mo cinema ni abret mi akatwi sa. Obitu mo ni bra na asem bia wonye be di so be kana waka. Ana me boa. And looking at Kecheno, Joshua is the outspoken one.
Yeah, I don't know because Andrew
but then the yaw kasa when you say dey ya. O kasa be kasa. Di batete ni akoma. Obi so hu di batete na akoma ha ne se Keche Joshua da.
So
what's the deal?
And crow.
Say bibi on the bekasa.
Yeah.
Okay. Say na we ni bekasa because oh what? This na go be on sa.
Hey, Ampo.
Yeah.
I saw no crow pa abna.
Obi so hu bi da.
Asi bibia e yon mo no bekasa.
No bekasa.
Na Andrew ni mo e short na kasa ko no mo ebufu no.
Ono mo bufu no.
No no I cool. I relax it.
Obi say ono o sheda one nti no kasa o mo fa serious. Omonte.
I want a guy.
Obi na guy.
Why? And you know ma.
Why you never?
Tell them to join us on Facebook.
Now, join Facebook. Say na mo
share. Me ba be video bi.
Obi an fa the phone. Ye nyina fa your phone na me ba. Obi an fa the phone.
My family.
Obi an fa the phone on your mass.
Say
Onua page wo. Onua FM.
Until go to Facebook.
Go to Facebook.
Na dial Onua 95.1 FM. Onua 95.1 FM.
Obi an fa the paper come online.
Obi an fa the paper Obi an fa.
Share more downful.
Obi an share.
Me ma share manipa 12. Upo ba 1 2 3 4 5 6 7
share
8 9 10 11 13 14 15 16.
Me ba be video bi. Na video no I say utumi bi.
Ma share manipa 18.
It's good. Why there pa? That's very good. Me aso ma share ma nipa be say 80 bi wa. That's good. Share the link. Like half hour.
Yeah, share the link.
Share the link like half hour.
Oh, nice.
Yes. Nti what I say?
Aye.
Abenai.
Nana.
Me ba be yi movie bia. Only say adwuma bia your hazard wo.
Hazard.
Adwuma bia.
Aye, if I know work hazard.
Occupational hazard. Adwuma bia bi wom. Na movie for bi so a DOP.
Director of Operations.
Director of Photography.
DOP. Director of. Let me can't say. Director of Operations. You man, you. Oh.
That's all.
Photography.
Operations. I didn't say,
More share live. My share live. No, 18. If I 18, so be an share man who nipa.
Say, obi an share. Me call China for set so. Na so nim say omo so de omo movie no na enya agro twa movie. Hua. Akwe didua. O didua yi skills. Nwa say kewa. Cameraman no kura.
Jack time.
Cameraman na okwa kama no outwa de no odidua na gina no
ode abono
oh tia
okay Facebook na mo meche
yeah
be pacho a free Facebook a free so
mama act na gbo akwado num eti odidua no bo no wie no ojai no chale
ode de gina so
chale kewa
ode abono na ono so nkwa tiri kakrai
on great that I saw to my close shot and then the close shot no up here oh
Charlie master dey na bo papa na tiko no omo e dey bo mo akwa na doje na do
yes there be so no nim nti akwa no here akwa na basa pa here odi na political we pray no enti we edwuma no ho edwuma no hazard nie ata say edwuma no hazard na ato no join us on Facebook na mefa story we enfa enka ho ma Celestine Donkor aka asem bi. Me pacho madaroma, mo fan to so mame. Na Felicia Enridi. Na I believe Celestine Donkor oye gospel nyum tuni oye gospel nyum tuni no. Aha, o de atoso. Oli, unu ye die.
Me hu ne ye pa. Osei, when they hear I'm dead, they will post my picture, play my songs, look for my YouTube channel, Celestial TV, for videos, and check my social media posts. But now that I am alive, even when I am working very hard to promote my works, they pretend they don't see me. They don't see, or even the ones they see is annoyance to them. God have mercy.
Enti Celestine Donkor na watro asem we ato se sesia na oye dwumaden no ye ma no attention no ye mfi no na ye twen na owudi a ene the attention no ebeba pa ebebo no nwom pa or a hypocrite.
I didn't hear.
Yes, or hypocrite.
I didn't hear.
I was expecting that she was rather going to appreciate the kind of work the media is doing for her.
Okay, your submission and then
Because listen, before Celestine Donkor beye ni Celestine Donkor no I for the man here.
Media, they gave her the attention.
So, and they are still doing it. And the media are still doing it for you.
I want to believe, say, the feedback she's getting is not what she's expecting.
Gospel musicians say Ukrum had also. To an extent that your Ukunu is part of a gospel group will be from the table of men for them there. Everything gospel be so I'm not expecting this from her. Because your husband is part of a group called Table of Men. They channel anything gospel. They push anything via a gospel piano. Message man. And you know, if you say this, you are a hypocrite. Are you hypocrite? Attention, our pa. Look for a nice way to get attention. But you don't use this. We don't write just answer anyway.
Now upcoming artist soon saying.
Yes, up and coming soon saying.
Exactly. Okay,
you are an established gospel musician.
You play your own shows.
Established one, of course.
Yes. You are well recognized. You have the respect in the media.
And
maximum respect. They give it to you.
And
I don't know how the conversation came about. Let's not.
Let's not assume. Let's not assume. Oh no,
I get it. But I'm saying, let's not conclude.
If you be never cry, that's me. Yenka. You don't. Oh my, sir. Ever say ingratitude. I deal with.
When messages like that come out, when you say there are a lot of DJs, radio presenters, they love particular people's song. The person will stop playing because
yes.
But no,
every cry for there are some other media for your cry. Some of them are even trying to get close to an interview cry. You don't even give them the opportunity. Some of them want to even interview on their shows.
Oh ma. J or Troy Bini, the Christian version.
Kofi Jama. Yes.
Kofi Jama, the Christian version.
Yes.
Secular. Yes, Christian version. Into Kofi Jama. The Christian version is
the Christian version.
Yeah. Because it's the same thing on the kind.
Yeah, on the man attention, yes.
Me man
attention. I do my media for ya mouse and long queen.
Yeah.
Nka up and coming for you being and say and come up.
We the make I will be our sister your car. I wow. Me to baby.
Maybe lodge.
What say or do you back by on baby?
On one person and you say you way no I are dumb because when that's too much no on your head.
I feel when you're back but to appreciate it.
Yes. I want us to much about
exactly. So when you
but in the time soon, you say Obenya hate no.
So but to appreciate it. But Auntie Celestine has been in the music industry for a very long time. Since time memorial.
And still
she's still relevant.
Or you're one of the gospel musicians that Onya support pa.
Because she has a powerful voice.
I'm a try
if Auntie can say people are not playing her songs there. I think she's not listening to radio. She's not listening to the TV. What you say? Maybe you're not looking where you are supposed to look.
Or pay attention, you should look for a better way to get attention. That's something who know dear.
Oh, no, Kwame.
Young call yenim asame okan anything who nyanse ni inu kwanta ko churo kra.
Sebi, David.
Okay.
Sebi.
Okay. As an person mekano.
Yeah.
Brad take I can't say me take GH.
When I take?
No, TikTok.
Hey, me brand no.
Yeah, opera pa no.
Papa, me ni kumase obi ne club me ni nwana na ye amano.
Oh, sir.
Papa kan hada obi a TikTok reserved. Me ni nwa panyin no. Study journalist.
See.
Oh, weekend bia na ye ko dia sa wo pa me ne no. Tata na ye pizza, Gines pizza.
Yeah, Gines pizza. Na some more kanu. Me dey to Facebook. Wow, person read what one can read no. Come on Facebook and come and read it yourself. Even though Abena ever read your minds is here. Abena, what's it?
Don't marry your partner if you've not dated for more than 7 years. And worry or ba na bema wouldn't name no for more than 7 years. This is what the emu be. This 11 equal. This is what you're worrying at 11 years.
Sir.
Relationship be 11 years no worry no.
Okay.
Or say if you want to marry now timu de pan who ni pakoni subaya. You saw ni pakona date and as one who more than 7 years and son well now on fem padie.
Ayo.
Na comment na say one ko comment na say. Next time be for comment ka ho pa na yen kan comment.
So.
Tell them say atwe bra pa wa teche.
No, we otwe ne say. O ka nokure na akire wo nokure bi wo ho na o ka akire wo.
Nokure be no.
Nokure ne say one na ntwem prancha anche kakra nware no.
Kakra ne say was 7 years.
7.
Nana Kwame, I know people.
Perfect number.
No, I know people who have dated
number
people.
7 is perfection.
It's not. I know people who have dated people for more than 13 years. I worry 2 days before them that they boom. Because
they.
Then I mean in bread no mo tie fi ho.
Hey.
Oh.
Shalom too.
Ade.
What the one I know was so inspired, you know.
I just say, minimum menka.
Yeah, it's a wood, the personal experience as a
minimum menka.
And the brand not even know a day.
One sister need 13 years. Bro 7 years. You say more than 7 years, 13 years. And our omo you ready no. Friday no ye fear no. Saturday no mo ye sorry. Na Sunday omo ko dance. Monday no mo jaye. 13 years. Monday no mo jaye.
3 days.
3 days. Gidi.
Omo jaye say.
Reason bia.
And any day ya.
Was say brand o ba no use towels too. Do dey pan any do pan the body. Na brand dey do dey pan the body na pana. Na what you say when you say just say unreasonable reason.
I know.
Only dated 13 years you didn't see all of this. Into how sure are you so no bit 7 years now you know the person's true character.
Majority na I am carton a day. Majority.
Manakame, maybe some more scenarios cases that I have seen.
Majority I know a day.
I don't want to give you scenarios that I have seen.
Sir.
I don't want to go there.
Add another one.
Menka. Add another one, he said. And I know somebody only be dating 3 months. She saw my worry, your 25th anniversary. Almost dated 3 months a pet. Almost your 25th anniversary. I'm watching. I'm calling MC mom.
Allah, I'm too at it. I can't last story, Yanko.
Jai. I just me trying to jai.
Oh, Dabby. Oh, Dabby.
Now, color story is the same.
Or therefore, they're all there.
Now, call me jai.
Or therefore, don't try to. Sure, obey ma.
And Casa, what Casa will be the job because they be trying to jai.
Open so.
And mom fan. I said, Papa, you was the TikTok and your logic.
And your logic saying, yes, a logic. 7 years.
He knows what he's talking about. He knows what he's seen.
Our experience, womb.
On an arena, someone anti Ache. Because we on an arena, it was 2014.
And Ebi Krapa almost started to crash a show before 2014.
Yes.
As I will probably be warm.
The unit is Takobi on Penwa, some couldn't birthday called the billboard see tech, birthday cake, TikTok a billboard man, you know.
Aha.
He knows what he's talking about.
Yeah. What do you know? Come at it.
If I saw any example.
Yes, sack.
On any everyday teacher. On any everyday teacher. 11 years. That's not worry. They are still there.
But I've been in Pendo don't know. Yeah, not. Neumni said. Secret Omni said. So oba ne side ni good a. Mema ne ntanko.
Oba no ska kakra ho.
Oba ne fie ya.
Mema na umbeka ho.
Ai onko. I know three to onko.
Sir.
I know I take it why no why.
Secret no. Mema pe baby e wede.
They are mo pe baby ho de no sa. Ye ma mo so tu yefo. Se Kwame mo kwa mo so mo ko baby ho de. Na mo de bia na ebi tu mo fo se mo ko baby ho de.
Da be na mama no mu hia.
Oh, I enche na se.
Na mama no mu fa e chi be kan sa.
Yes, hey, mo so mo kwa mo ko baby ho de.
Mo mama no de mema na tena se mo.
Yes, mo tu yefo. Enti mpendu do na ade ne che udim se ade na che pa udim se guy no enkoye pa but guy ne side no oh e kama oh e de and again no aba be pe guy no the guy no mpekura still so tum ta de no you understand because okwa hwahwera de
Mama fo na kan sa kire mema.
yes o matu yefo pa
Mama fo mu yi mo ho no mo na mo de mo mema na hye dem aka chom so mo ko ba bi ho e de no.
yes enti yes see enam no
na enti se mo so mo ba ware a e ka ba mo de beba munya chede am de ko
ye de be ko fie sa asa India na e ma na e ware be ma to ni ma
na enti se mo fa mo hadwe na mo na ye be ware
pa na mo ye tu mo fo se o kwa ware a ko efie mu ye papa fa ade brefie yen so sa yen se ko de bia ba
ma menya announcement e ma me ne mo kasa uko hia be ma bia wu ni se o tikenti on no te wa ni nyai
na be zire
o na me hia bi pen
sa
oh
so de o scan to me o
oh me say me boy was kenti e dia me boy was there me dia uko nya boy bia on so sa yes
o ye dey
na Kwame asre
oh adai
asre
alentia
kakra to dwane gare mame kakra o ba to beku ne tilapia o we ordering fa me se bia maduro o se dia na wo ho me se ba ya che o ti to bibre me se debi o debi ntumi no ndeti
sa
e kapa boy ne ka
o so ya ka guso
e kapa me ni ja kwa me guso di nkofo bi ka je mi o ha no afom me ho shirt bi o se 70 me man 20 for 50 sauce man. That's what do you mean? What do you mean? And I'm a child said the antipa, mamma, or batteries is calling in Jai.
So.
Also, bro, on it's not in scout say they meet me on no Jai. Minini Jai one time.
And no more boca.
Oh, me boca. Minibody did 3 months. Me gonna make my boca bear 2005.
I don't have free.
Jenny got it. A Jenny got a pan or was in Pemu. E bo amisi minisco so de je said dia omunimu na maji am de amaji
abra
na Kwame otimi de nema ko laundry me se ma obi wanchi sima we oso mbesene no o de ko laundry o te fa ha fa me on fa na kada ho okotwem
abra
boy do ma me mbobra won kran
gobe nko ai
2005
gobe
dem so gobe na 2005 e na nema e kan ho drink ni nsuo
gobe nko 2005
na Kwame
you know bre
so taught me na for na wo fi o say the girls say ye no me na for wo fi o om so bedi o se minwa akato na wo fi o no so bedi tum se nko oba e na nema sesa na oba don ade sere za fa ade sere timi hu ba me bi o ne oba tena so ne hu so na oda so na oba ne tena me hu metema no say you can't afford it open no but untumi the pakon no oyeka the pakon expenses
ona no body ne eti wona ya kan
no because they time no be the team and kase mba be obi ba
asa
ona obi te wona untumi afford the pakon bills and let the person go for dot to nchen to don to twene
I'm just saying
and think about your future and na kwa me nya
sure for double dom no I don't know
e kom na wo ho do be pakon no kom na ba o do don ko de kom muhia nti mo don ko anye de
sir
I am stating this
emphatically
yes so no be that now hon so na sha you need nyai
sir
if you can't financially support anybody break up with the person and money back on the bed by your bed now that one I said back on who ko be na ye masho o do ho na phone so phone ring na o dey to nchen because kind of was no so
yeah bro bill
me say boy friend bia na me yam hihye me
because we go free beans
we go to bibi hello na send me credit na na won tell me kan won friend me ni credit to o de odo sa se nya hwe na me say
sir
na me say o ka so me dro na
what to go be pa o Abra.
Go be no mo. Oh, is legon ho do mo nim. Is legon ayi ho. Ayi. Phyllis go be. Chiro mo mo nim mo nya na kra. Mi je ewie bia me koto go be. E do ko twempna. Meja ato.
Oh, empana twi die.
Mo na obi e de ti se oye be ma so oye oba na ho nso ne hwa. Let the person go.
Sir.
Because odo de 50-50. But don't mean ka say me fa me hu nyina amra na wo de. Adai, oh ya osa patient. Me na mbeki osa.
Adai.
Obi anke obi a osa ma no. Ono obi de tuna osa na ntumi nke o mani oni ni nyai. Mo yare amonka. Boss me dead dro so Mr. Tojo go bebre me dead dro be. No ha na yare.
Abena what go ba chepa. Bro.
Oh.
And would you
No be ka family feeding. We feed o mu nyina. O se ma mi o fi o. Me bra no kwene wan kwa adwuma o. Ma me tu nya go be ni bi anko be di.
Obi ni.
Pegare bebre.
San kwafo nso omma me omu ye hwa papa.
Omo so o ma me ne de ase akra no so. E hwa ne fi so na asa ne fom.
E hwa generation.
E hwa fom nyina ye hwa. E sa ba na ma me ne wo sere.
Isa aso.
Eh.
Aso.
Filuti fata wo.
Ye nyawa.
Oh.
Aso.
E tiri me de ba adwuma me akọ mi se tiri nya fe. Because uti fata papa. E tire white de ne wo kala wo so tuntu tire white. Musu mi se ma se kokore de. Mama ne se mama uti e fe. No wa friend ba panyin no mami be he wo kuma. Akuma obey ne ho so ware ofre akuma obey he oba ne mfe oso ware ofre akuma. Go be kakra me to amamani. Oh, but you kasa unu fe na go be cry na so do so pete so.
Ere.
Uko tene fe omo anko.
Oh.
Hwe. O si ayi, hwe fridi mu se nso ni bi wo ha. O si ye fili, we ne nke ye ya mo bedru nke ka che se nso na sanka to bi bai. No ba tu be twempa e bokasa.
Investing go be.
Si mu ni mi ma me nyo. Ma me onyo.
Abra.
Nti se me ba me nya announcement ma boy ne. Ohu se me ma mu fie obi na ma me frem na me fa. Mo pass da dodo.
Go be no doso.
Go be no doso. Go be no doso. Ni nwa ne se fili e be na wakoye oti. Anka me koja wo bo nkoja. Okoye na wa ye ne de ama no. Me ja mu fie oba me no ba na jai. Na na ye to aso.
Nti ja radio so.
Oh, me ja ndada ba me na official. Say so me zanya broke. Me de me say broken heart. Me na me ja wo.
Yeah.
Me say relationship boy ne kwa na e ba. Say o de oye dom. Onye ba ku mienu miensa oye dom. Na ye to aso. Me ne na jai.
Sir.
Oh.
Enti on that note eduane semi.
Ja.
Yenko party wi eduane.
Eko party wi eduane.
Yenko party wi eduane.
Se o ma mi bi na mi wi aya na se
me yi video bi ama o.
Mumra Facebook
me here. Wo si yenko party ko wi eduane. Enti nice girl we oyi drink na audition bag me na jivenism.
Senior man so yi rubber.
O bi yegu.
Ana cameraman with the Robert too. Cameraman with the Robert. Nema yes man say wo. Robert.
I saw you that. Oh say. What go party we there?
Sister no so we are drinking. Obi a na aje si ho. Ade yi nyina ye no.
No, we are dey.
Ade yi nyina ye no.
Ahe na ade ko. Owie dey na akwan. Also be marketechi o tro rubber bag. If you dey gum.
Na yire no aduane no. Na yire ka che se wo party na wo kono. O ba didi wo.
Wa ba bibia me bia.
Yeah. Oh.
Onti o hwe ya hwegu ade ni mu a. Ana kan mama so, "Oh, uncle. Please."
Fakura, famonu kura. Ye twama aye for yere. Because you need to mo yene sa no. Papa we na no hu nwi na. Oyo mo we did course onidi. What I say? Evidence we did cross by me ni hwe na me ni hwe nti o twa to. Ye wie we de na ka sa adwumanya hwe na ya post to.
Okay.
Na no hu nwi no. Se na no hu nwi aye no.
Mustard no.
Sanete. Omba be na so mutumi di 7 plates.
Ha. Only day.
Sa hwe na no hu nwi. Robert one na watch Ella. Hwe na no hu nwi no. Say sergeant. Sergeant. Oba we dey so obedie didi. Uncle was room so no my job also. Omo to ko okoja nine. So we dey no oja na nine. Tunko bia o ni be bon san ho toilet na no sa. Kofo. Omo ma no hu nwina sorry no. Aduane ne. Eni. Oh, aza. Me be my party asini ayi ase de me peko. Ti ma show mu nyina so na no ho no he.
And do experience pa.
Oh, na Kwame. On the way na no hu nwino.
No one start you know.
Obedi die o ka so me ni hwe where are you from the evidence.
Oh, akoye guri hwenu matpa o.
Na baya kama liji. O de ko 7 boy.
On fa ko 7 boy bia.
No de ko ye de.
O wi akofi akonom.
On ko no de ko 7 boy.
O wi akofi akonom.
O de ko shede boy achi.
Sasa yi.
Wanu mo de ko boso. Ku fe da ko flex.
Abra. Enti last story dey uko party asia yen wie duane. Jai duane wia emfatal.
Onua 95.1 FM. Yeah, Junimo.